Today I will review the Vigorous EA that I have been testing for some time. It is a euro-dollar scalping expert advisor, and there is something interesting in the way this EA works. Let me show you the results in my accounts. First, I would like to show you the demo account that I started back on the 12th of February this year. As you can see that the balance line climbed steadily upwards and it achieved a total return of 7%. There was a drawdown at the end of March, and this one was recovered at the beginning of April. If I show you the expert advisor on the MetaTrader platform, you will see that it has a user-friendly panel that gives you more information about the risk you are taking. As well, there are buttons to buy and sell or to close all the positions, and there are the indicators. If I show the account history, you will see that the expert advisor starts trading with 0.01 and it has a recovery system that increases the lots, but it is very well calculated. I haven't seen huge risks until the moment. If I show you the entire history, you will see that there are no huge amounts of lots. Actually, we can see that better in the orders section on FX Blue, and right in here are all the closed orders that I had with the expert advisor, and there are actually 25 pages of orders. It's quite an active expert advisor because it is trading the euro dollar on M1 time frame. And as I said in the previous video where I showed the Vigorous EA for the first time, euro dollar on M1 is probably the hardest pair and market to trade. Scalping the euro dollar is very risky because it is a very volatile market. Both the euro and the dollar are very sensitive to the fundamental news, and sometimes we really don't know how the market will react to the news, and trading with an expert advisor is really difficult. So right in here we can see this pattern where the expert advisor bought a few times and all of the orders were closed at the same moment. This happened on the 10th of July, and if I go back in the account history, you'll see them right in here, and you can see that there were a few losing trades but as well profitable trades. And when the market goes just in the right direction, we see small profits in the account. But this is one more time trading with 0.01. I also trade the Vigorous EA on a challenge, and there we have some more impressive results. You can see that the challenge started again in February. The history is 158 days and we see very steady balance line. If I switch to the equity, you will see that during May there was a drawdown, but that one recovered. Another one at the beginning of June, and that one also recovered. And the expert advisor is halfway to passing the challenge, and I honestly feel more comfortable if I pass a challenge for a few months rather than using a risky robot that tries to pass the challenge quickly. It is alright if it takes a few months because the prop firms don't have limitations as trading periods anymore. So right here is the challenge, and you can see the entire account history. Obviously, I will leave the links down below in the description, so whenever you're watching the video, you'll see how both accounts are doing. But because I saw that the Vigorous EA is not a very risky expert advisor, I'm planning to put it on a brand new $1,000 live account with Black Bull Markets, and this is the broker that I use the most for forex pairs. Just the trading conditions they offer are really suitable for expert advisors. The spread is really low for the euro dollar, which is the asset I need for the Vigorous EA. Now in the challenge account I start with 0.10, but that's a 100k account. So in the $1,000 live account, obviously I will start trading with 0.01, and I'll leave the link to that account down below in the description. I'll do my best to fund it during during the weekend, and by the time I publish this video there will be the track record in the description. At the time of recording the video, the Vigorous EA costs $300 and there is a 30-day money back guarantee. There is a 5-day demo, which in my opinion is not really enough, but that's why I am leaving all the links down below in the description. So I'm testing the EAs on a demo, on a challenge and on a live account, and I hope this saves you the time and it makes it easier for you to decide if an expert advisor is worth the money. You can see that there is a track record from the vendor available. This one achieved 77.20% in this virtual account, and there was a drop ride in March 2023, but during this time I wasn't trading this expert advisor, so I cannot really compare the results. However, it's a good sign that the vendor left this track record, and it's a kind of a warning that such a drop might appear. Of course, it depends on the risk that you are trading. As well, I started testing the Powerhouse EA from this vendor, and there are track records that you may have a look at because I don't have enough history to show you. So hopefully in some of my next videos, once I have some more results with the Powerhouse EA, I will share those with you and I will review this expert advisor as well. As always guys, thanks so much for watching, and before you go, check out this video on my site to learn more about another expert advisor I'm already trading in a live account with Blackwell Markets. I really thank you for watching my videos until the end. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.